Good afternoon, children. Now we will continue our same topic, organization of production. Okay, so in this topic, we have completed land, labor, physical capital, knowledge, and enterprises. Now we will get understand individually land. First, we will see the land. Land and other natural resources like water, forest, and minerals. Okay, in second, labor, people who would do the work. Now physical capital means the variety of inputs are required at every stage during production. Now knowledge and enterprises. Okay, knowledge and enterprises, in this thing we will see means to be able to put together land, labor, and physical capital and produce an output. Okay, now we'll see next topic is that farming in Palampur. Farming in Palampur. Okay, so farming in Palampur mein first you will see that land is fixed. Okay, so land is fixed mean it is for Palampur. So village farming is their main production. Okay, so and the well-being of these people is related to production on the farms, but there is a basic constraint in raising farm production. Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. Okay, so is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Okay, so but in the rainy season, kharif farmers grow jowar and bajra, followed by the cultivation of potato between October and December month. In winter, farmers grow wheat, and a part of land is devoted to sugarcane, harvested once every year due to well developed irrigation. Farmers can grow three different crops. Sometimes farmers can grow three different crops. It means farmers do multi-cropping system. They adopt multi-cropping. In a single time, in a single year, they can grow two or three types of crops. And electrically transform the system of irrigations. Multiple cropping means, just I explain you, to grow more than one crop on a piece of land. Okay, so another way for higher yield is that modern farming in the later 1960s, the green revolution introduced the Indian farmers to cultivation of wheat and rice using HYV seeds. HYV seeds mean high yielding varieties of seed. Okay, now we will see the second point is that sustain will the land sustain will the land sustains. Okay, so in this point we will see that modern farming methods. Okay, so modern farming methods have overused the natural resources best due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Soil lost its fertility. Okay, so use of modern technology, modern farming methods, soil lost its fertility. Okay, so natural resources like soil fertility and groundwater are destroyed, and it is very difficult to restore them. Okay, so next point we will see that how is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur. Okay, so we shall see that land is very important for any kind of farming. We know that. So in Palampur, about one third of the 450 families are landless. Means 450 families, these family have not land. They are landless people. And Dalits have no land for cultivation. Dalits mean lower caste people, scheduled caste people. they have not land for cultivation, and approximately 240 families cultivate on very small plots of land, less than 2 hectares in size. Okay, so in Palampur there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. Okay, so we will continue in next video. Thank you.